Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Word and creating a blank document. This gets you into editing immediately. Once done, set the page size and orientation from layout so your content fits exactly as intended. Make sure to adjust margins to 0. 5 in or your preferred trim to control line breaks. Turn on rulers and show formatting marks to reveal hidden spacing. This prevents surprises when you add headers, footers, or images. These steps establish the canvas you'll design on. You now place content onto the page. Type or paste text, then apply styles to create consistent headings and body text. This saves time and ensures structure. Once done, adjust font size, spacing, and alignment so lines and paragraphs flow correctly across pages. Insert images or tables and use layout options like square, tight, or behind text to anchor elements. Make sure to lock aspect ratios and use anchor points so objects don't shift when editing text later. To finish, you check pagination and insert page or section breaks where content must change format. This controls headers, footers, and orientation per section. Next, preview and print layout and print preview, verify paper size and scaling, then save a final copy and a version backup. If layout behaves incorrectly, inspect formatting marks and remove stray paragraph breaks or manual spacing. Clearing a rogue section break often resolves odd headers or page shifts. That tip fixes most
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.